Welcome all. Today the topic of projection of plane I will discuss with you the case of rectangular lamina. So size is given as 50 into 30 and the lamina is having shorter as on HP. So first of all we will start with the top view. So use the set square to draw the projector lines for one edge because we have to draw the rectangle in the top view as per given size. So size is given as 15 to 30. So we will mark distance of 30 on this projector line. Then using the roller scale and respective, we will mark respective distance along this length as given as 50. And similarly distance parallel we take as 50. Now through these point, that is end point, draw the projector line as we just drawn here. So in this way we just draw the top view of the object, it is rectangle. So mark the respective points A, B, C, D. So we get the top view A, B, C, D here, and now we will draw front view because the object is in HP. So that's why its front view will lie on the XY line. So A and D, yeah, at this point is A dash comma D dash. A dash and D dash, similarly B dash and C dash here. Now in second step, as the case is given as, we have to tilt this projection in such a way that in the top view we get the square. So for that sake, extend the top view sidewise. And now, because we have to draw the square, so just drag this line to represent the edge and draw the projector on the upside. Now with the help of compass, cut equal distance to the side of this rectangle, measure this one and mark same distance here to draw square. Now we have to cut a distance equal to this front view on this side because it will appear a square in the top view. So we will measure this distance with the help of compass and will mark over here. So this is the end point of the projection. So join these 2 points end to end. Name the projection as A1 dash, D1 dash, similarly V1 dash, C1 dash. On this side is points are like D1, C1, V1, A1. So this satisfy the condition as one of its shorter edge on HP, that is this one's shorter edge on HP, and tilted till it appears as square in the top view. So we just tilt this projection so that in the top view we get the square. Now is the side on which it rests is parallel to both HP and BP. Now in this case, this point, that is this edge C and B, is the edge on which this rectangle rests, and as per the given condition is the side on which it rests is parallel to both HP and BP. So now in this case we have to make this edge parallel to XY here. So let us start with the condition. So you just draw the projector line. Now we have to make this edge parallel to XY. So just mark this point as V2, that is this corner here, and C2 on this side. So measure the distance. So here is the point. Now using ruler scale, now B2 here, C2 this side, here is D2, and A1 here, A2 here. So dark these edges of square. So now from this side, as you can see here, projection for B point. This is a projection for B. So here is B. So one point is here. C from this side, C from here. So C here. Similarly, we will mark this distance in horizontal direction to and make it intersect with the projector line of respective projectors. As from this side D, and D from here, A and A from here. And this point is mark as B, that is B2 dash. So join these points with dark line to present the edges of the rectangle. So this is the required position of the object. Now represent or mark all the dimensions on the object that is given in the question. This is the solution of the given problem.